Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research time for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have, it was an unboxing and first impression, but this is a second take. When I took the cap off, everything came off and it was a big mess. Anyway, so this is a unboxing and first impression, believe me. So it's Animale Gold by Animale. So Animale is a brand that is caught people's attention, especially in the fragrance community, by one of their fragrances, which is quite well known. It's called Animale by Animale Eau de Toilette, and is aimed for men. That one, I had a big bottle of it, 200 ml, and I went through it. Beautiful fragrance, gorgeous, quite masculine, very long lasting, very good quality, especially for a price. So when I saw this beauty, it's called Animale Gold by Animale, I had to get it. So this one is again aimed at men, 100 ml Eau de Toilette, and let's go and see how it goes. So this is a second take of this video, so that's why it's out of the box. Believe me, I did the unboxing in the first video and it was a little bit messy, so I had to do a second take. So as you can see, presentation quite nice, not bad. Some people think it's tacky, I think it's quite nice. Simple box, simple bottle. It's got this lightning thing in the front. The cap is plastic, it's not bad, it's okay. And here we go, the atomizer. The atomizer is okay, good. Psst, psst, psst. It doesn't put too much juice out, which is alright. It does the job, but it's not anything great. Okay, so how is Animale Gold by Animale? And here we go, first impression. In United Kingdom you can find it under £30. There are one or two places you can find it. It's not one of those which is readily available for some reason. In other parts of the world you have to Google it and research and see if it comes up, and if it's available, how much it goes for. So how it goes, here we go, first impression. Woo! So first thing, it hits me the aromaticness of it. So it's very aromatic, definitely a massive lavender in here. It's zesty right now, so I'm smelling something like bergamot and lemon combination. Lemony, zesty, and it's very inviting. It's very alluring. It's quite spicy hints to it, it's tinge to it. The spices is definitely cinnamon in there, but there's another aspect which is like a herbal aspect to it. So it's quite herbal, it's quite green. Yeah, very green, very herbal, green, very masculine right now, super masculine. So this is definitely on the masculine side, same as what Animale was, but different. They're not similar in terms of smell perfume, smell profile, but in terms of masculinity they are in the same realm. Yeah, I can smell something woody in the background, so it's looks like a cedar. Very friendly wood in the base, just to lift everything up, to round it up, and also a little bit ambery body to it. The amber in here is very fluffy, it's very effervescent. It's nothing deep or dense or thick or dark. No, it is on the medium side in terms of darkness, but in terms of thickness is very effervescent, is very fluffy, and is one of those European amber rather than Middle Eastern amber, which are dense and thick and resinous and very deep. Definitely green aspect. I smell something like juniper berry. There's a very distinctive juniper berry smell in here, which is making it that green or evergreen fragrance smell to it. It's grassy, it's green, is leafy. There's a little bit of earthiness to it as well. Yeah, a little of earthiness. I think it's coming from something like a patchouli. There's a hint of patchouli in here as well. So overall it smells very good, especially for a price under £30. It smells great, but it smells masculine and it smells mature and it smells classic. So this is quite in the classical side of things. It reminds me of 70s and 80s fragrances, that green genre, masculine fragrances. Let's go off. Let's have wateriness to it. Not much, but it's not salty. It's just fresh water, and also a little bit of floral mid into it, just to give it a little bit of softness in the mid. So what is the smell of that floral? It smells like a rose, but it's not a rose in the same time. I smell something minty in here, so it's quite minty. And the spices is a little bit on the stronger side now. It's getting stronger. So the spice, as I said, a little bit of cinnamon, and also I smell something like a cumin in here as well to give it that warm spiciness. Overall, what a smell! Gorgeous, beautiful. Tiny bit of leathery feel to it right now as well, but it's in the background. So overall, absolutely gorgeous, especially for my age, for my taste. This is on the classical side. I love that genre, and it reminds me of some of the fragrances from that era. It doesn't remind me of anything in particular, but it is that genre of green, masculine, fresh or semi-fresh amber and woody base, and a little of zestiness in the beginning, and also that spicy and green tinge to it and herbal tinge to it. So overall, very, very good. This is very aromatic, very masculine, very quite mature, quite on the classical side, and I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side in terms of age. In terms of occasion, this is one of those Swiss Army. Now, if you can dress it up, dress it down. You can go, evening, day, special occasion, casual, anything you want really. In terms of season, this is all year round. Again, you can use it even in summer and in winter. In summer, less spray. In winter, more sprays. At the moment, it's filling the room, so it looks like it's going to be lasting quite a long time, and also it's quite a strong projector. But in the next video, I'll let you know the development, the longevity, and good things like this. But for first sniff, first impression, absolutely yes, yes, yes. I'm loving it. I loved Animale by Animale, and this one, I'm loving it as well. As I said, they're not similar to each other in terms of smell profile, but they are similar in terms of the feel of it, the character, the masculine feel to it. It's very, very masculine. Oh, I'm smelling something like a tobacco. Yes, I'm smelling something like a herbal tobacco now. It's coming up, so it's quite a complex fragrance for under £30, and it smells great. Okay, guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfume. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker, so they are true handmade perfumes. Just for you lucky guys in United Kingdom, because the post doesn't allow me to post it outside United Kingdom, unfortunately. But the lucky ones in United Kingdom, you can purchase them. They are amazing value for money. They smell great. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, no additives, no preservatives, no syntheticness, no alcohol, nothing in there. Just pure perfume oils. And they are mesmerizingly beautiful. They are very artistic, unique, very, very mysterious. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye, bye, bye.